Welcome to Infinite English, short story series. California Gold Rush, more than just nuggets. When people think about the California Gold Rush, they often imagine miners digging in rivers and finding shiny gold nuggets. But the gold rush was much more than just people looking for treasure. It began in 1848 when gold was discovered at Sutter's Mill. News spread quickly, and soon thousands of people from all over the world rushed to California to try their luck. These people were called 49ers, and they came from places like China, Mexico, Europe, and the eastern United States. Because of them, California became one of the most diverse places in the country. The gold rush didn't last forever, but its effects are still felt today. All the people who moved to California helped build towns, roads, and businesses. Many of these towns later became big cities like San Francisco and Sacramento. The rush for gold also helped California become a state in 1850, just 2 years after gold was found. Even though most people didn't strike it rich, they stayed and found other ways to succeed, like farming, opening shops, or working on the railroads. Today, California is known for its booming economy, high-tech industries, and cultural mix, and it all started with a dream of gold. The gold rush showed the world that California was a place full of hope and opportunity. It brought people together and helped create the state's bold and adventurous spirit. So, when we remember the gold rush, we're not just thinking about gold. We're thinking about the people, ideas, and dreams that built California into what it is today. Please subscribe for more to enhance your English.